The question is this: is there a way to take a Google slide and move it to a Google Doc? I'm going to show you what you can do in this video, but before I do, hit that subscribe and that notify button because I create all these videos for you. So here's a Google slide I've created, and this is one that I'm using for some business purposes. And you'll notice it's a lot of text. There's not a lot of images in this, just a whole lot of text. On the first page has got some images. Now, how do I move this to a Google Doc? It's a multi-step process and it is not perfect, but let me show you what you can do. The first thing you have to do is you have to export this out or download this out as a PDF. So I just downloaded it as a PDF. Now I can go back to Google Docs, or go back to Google Drive, go to Drive and go to Google Docs stuff. And I can bring this up and just drop it in here and basically upload the PDF, which will not convert. It will upload as a PDF. And you can see right here it is, visual branding on LinkedIn. There's the PDF. Now, if I open that up by double clicking on it, you'll notice it shows me the PDF. Pretty clean PDF. It actually converted pretty decently. But here's what happens. It allows me to open with Google Docs. So if I click on Open with Google Docs, it converts it to a Google Doc, and it's not bad. I lost, see, did I lose my first page? No, I lost the images from the first page. But there's another snafu. You'll see right here, for some reason, oh, this www, oh, those are hyperlinks. That's what those are. So if you scroll down to page 2, there's those hyperlinks. For some reason or other, it turned those hyperlinks black. Don't know why. It turned the first, and it took the first line of the third page right here, and it merged them together. Don't know why. But it doesn't do cleanly. Again, anywhere where I have, what do you contact analysis? It's this line right here is converted for some reason or other. It's sucked up to the bottom of the previous page and it's highlighted in black text on black background. So it's not perfect. I'd have to take and insert page breaks here. I'd have to go highlight this text right here and change it to normal text with title and fix it. Each one of these I'd have to, each one of these I'd have to do a page break and I have to highlight this and fix it and change it to something that makes it visible. I have to do some alignment, etc., etc. Can I do it? Yes. Is it perfect? No. Can it be fixed? Depends on how many slides you have. But those are the steps. Again, export out your slide as a PDF. Upload your PDF into Google Drive. Open that PDF and then click on Convert to Google Doc. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope this is helpful for you.